Say hello to all those photos you've been storing on your hard drive or phone. A photo wall is a perfect way to share and relive cherished memories while creating an accent wall. Here's all the supplies you need to complete this project. Painting an accent wall behind your cherished memories will really make them pop against the wall. Most accent walls look best when they are adjacent to walls in a light or medium shade. You want to make sure you balance the strong accent wall color with a neutral wall color on the other walls. It also matters what type of photograph you plan on putting on the wall, if it's a black and white or a color photo. If you have lots of bright, bold colors in your photos, it might be a good idea to print them out and put them against various color chips so you can really see how the accent of all the colors highlights the picture. There are a number of ways you can plan your picture frame arrangement, but actually seeing the wall blocked out is the best way to visualize the space. By using painter's tape, you have the flexibility to not only adjust and create the size that fits the best, but it's also easy to remove. You can lay out the frames on the floor and arrange them until you're happy, and then replicate that arrangement on the wall. Once you have the pictures on the spot you want, start hanging. Your local Ace Hardware also sells an assortment of command hooks. They have small wire hooks, designer hooks, and even these cool picture hanging strips. Here's my last tip. Add some lights. Pictures with lights above them make it stand out like an art gallery. And if you're worried about running electrical and cords, here's the secret. Grab some light fixtures and these puck lights. You can get puck lights that are battery operated with a timer or a remote. Just install the light fixture without the cord and then adhere these lights where the sockets are. Voila! Looking for another way to use this color? A brush stroke accent wall would be perfect. That video is coming up next.